In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Grok AI on Windows 11. Grok AI runs primarily as a web app, which means you can start using it in just a few clicks, without a traditional installer. On your Windows 11 PC, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome both work great. If you haven't updated your browser in a while, it's a good idea to do that first for the smoothest experience. Next, head to the official site. Click into the address bar, type grok.com and press enter. Give the page a moment to load. You should see the Grok AI chat interface right away. Always make sure you're on the genuine website and look for the secure connection indicator in your browser. To make this even easier, I've placed the official link at the very top of the description, so you can go there directly. From here, you're ready to use Grok AI immediately. There's no download required for basic access. Just click the chat box, type your question or prompt, and press enter. For best results, be clear and specific with your prompts, and feel free to ask follow-up questions to refine the answer. If the site seems slow, waiting a moment or refreshing the page usually resolves it, especially during peak traffic. If you want your conversations to sync across devices or you'd like access to account-specific features, you can optionally sign in using your X account. This is completely optional. You can explore and test the core features without signing in. If you'd like Grok AI to feel more like a native Windows app, you can create a web app shortcut. In Edge or Chrome, open the menu in the top right corner, go to Apps, and choose Install Grok AI. Confirm the prompt. Windows will add an app-like shortcut to your start menu, and you can also place it on your desktop. When you open it, Grok launches in its own streamlined window, making it quick to access and distraction-free. Keep in mind that this shortcut uses the web version behind the scenes, so you'll still need an internet connection. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, visit grok.com, sign in if you want, and optionally install the web app shortcut for one-click access. That's how you access and install Grok AI on Windows 11 using the web. If you found this helpful, don't forget the official link is right at the top of the description for easy access. Thanks for watching.